We are the
Pineapple Family!
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is a holiday. Galing kay may practice kami. Cheer dance kami. Ano ka duwi? Nagbo siya. We're going na sa school kami sa Buangkay. School open yung school ang amon nga iba nga venue abi close na sila kay 5. So school kami diretso. Go eh. Here na kami sa practice, break time. Tapos na kami practice. Kaya na kami sa route. Pero actually, sa City Mall pa kami ganin avenue. May pamakalpak ko. Tuesday, wala klase pero may practice the whole day. Hi day mo nga wallet sa baga. Ay, bakit na kami sa school. May practice pa kami dito. Ay, ako
Won't live, ano yan? Live without pay.
basta gabi ulang nakita na ginabatsyag na. Let's go. Practice time. Kasi Steve Doyo. Lunch kami ni Daddy dito sa food hub dito within sa school. Hello, it's already ano na nga ni oras basta past 5 na. Nagdiretsyo na lang kami dire kay Gigi sa school niya. After lunch naman kainan, nagdiretsyo na kami puli. Ano pong huway-huway lang. Then prepare na naman kay 5 p.m. May practice kami pero nag-essential lang kami nga maapas kami kay parang hapitan na lang naman si Gigi dire sa school. And then kadto na to dayon sa own practice. Kaya kung balik-balik, awat na kay dati magbalik-balik bala sugat sa iya. Ano muna. This week is a very busy week na kid. But, okay lang ay, enjoy lang namon niya. Bawa no na oras yaw, pa sila katapos. Yahoo! Practice po kami tugulat na to yung amon cheer dance man nga practice. Hardcore, oh. Yan sila yaman. So guys, tapos ng practice guys.
Guys, gabi na
Manyapo na lang kami before ko puli sa balay para pag-abuto, paway na lang, check na lang ito tanan, and then paway. Ay kami sa Nakdo. Ay naman. Ay, drinks pa lang gali. Ilang niya? Right. Apple juice. Secret. Tunduan na. Share may tagyapon ang favorite naman ding apple juice. Tara, naman na yung tanadad. Goods na. Sa isa pa, may chicken ka pa. Ay, may naka-video. Ari kami sa may plaza. Ano yan? Wala man. Hindi man mahatagan justice sa camera. Laway mo ng camera ko. Good night. Walak. Hindi na tuod, guys. Hoy, ganito.
iPhone 2017.
Ari kaliunan na. May kaliunan.
iPhone 2017 na pero iPhone 6.
May iPhone ko sa una ka ano to gani Uy. Wednesday. Kisa mami. Mamay na. Back to normal class. Pero pila lang kadlaw kay family day naman dayon. Ang reminders ha. Hindi na ko da mag-chat ha. Basta you know what it is ha. Ikaw na ang?
Ano ay ka damo? Akong service.
Tagit. Hey, si Patrick ka.
Ano ka dito sa ano?
Light toy. Ang tugon ha. Gawin tugon ha. Bye-bye. Hello, it's almost 5 p.m. Siyempre, pakato naman kami kay GJ. Sugaton lang siya. Practice naman kami dayon. And si dati nangita pa to photocopier kaya may kinanglan kami nga ipa-photocopy. Close na itong isa. Hindi naman siya man. Ay. Kung wala di, napa-National Bookstore na lang kami. Ari kami sa terminal so kung wala dito photocopier. Naghaling kami di sa may tubang ka haircore Dati damo tayo photocopier ya. Ayun si daddy o bakit ito no? Tapos lagi na. Let's go, 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 let's go. Sasa. Oo. Tapos we're going to school na and ulat naman kay Gigi isang iyang basketball na matapos. Then practice naman kami dayon. It's time to go home. Tapos ng practice. It is guys, yung Thursday na. Harap pati yung basketball. Sila wala katapusan ng basketball dahil papay kagdugay si kuya pa ho. Practice kami ni daddy. Guys, pakado na kami sa amon practice guys. Upod namon si Pantat.
Smile, kamusta?
Oo Pantat.
Katulad nila.
Pamahawa ni sila donut ko na.
Huwag may nag-chat. T-shirt na to.
Hapit naman kami di school na okay, check namon bala kay wala pa kami kabalo kung ara namon t-shirt kasi ara naman niya ito to may gin-announce to wala to amon apelyido pero basi pa man lang niya sato sila to gaano nag-ayos dira ako kay may event na tomorrow after fun run. Grabe ka pa kami mapanra nag-stretching ng daw kantaan na isang taga-stretching. Ready na ni si Panran niya. Finisher na niya.
Bali, ang kay Gideon, sir, 447.
You bring your child with you, daddy and mommy.
Hey. Jag lang. Jag lang gid. Run fast lang. Hey, inay lang. Baylas na. You go. Go na ta. Buhay pa. Dito sa Child's Gym. Ha? Wala pa pamili ka ba? Yeah, thank you. Push, kumain lang. Hoy, Megs.
Unagin na si Kurt.
Oh. Yeah. Bawa ka na. Buhay na? Thank you. Family. Thank you.
Powerful victory Chargers.
Go! Yeah! Up, 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 up! Wala na!
5 seconds.
Go, Blo! Steady. Dali! Dalagan!
Ang high school ano?
Ipatungan nyo!
10 seconds.
Nauna ako yan?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Change court!
Change court.
Coco Chanel!
Push! Go, Blo! Push! Mawiti na lang! Mawiti! Block na, block!
Bunti po isa nyo. Champion kami din. Patas na tas sa basketball.
Hold! Hold! Let's go! Let's go! Good job! Good job! 3-0!
Pagkawita sa iyo.
Nana, wala na inana! Hold! Nice! Nice! Tawo, di pa dapat mo. Hold! Oh! Na, hold! Ang hangin ginapalit gid sa Nice, 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 nice. Nice, nice one. Nice one.
Yellow is for pink. What?
Hold lang.
Blue is for
Nice. Nice.
1 minute and 30
Push kid, push kid.
Go.
Okay, ready? Ready? Isa sa dapat natin nilalalaw. Okay. Ready?
Kaya mo na, Yam!
Face the touch, ready, set, go!
Go, Yam! Go, Yam! Go, Yam! Sige, sige! Sige na, we!
Ready, ready, palayo lang ha. Okay, ready, set, go! One, go!
Pull! Three, pull! 1, 2, 3, pull! 1, 2, 3, pull! 1, 2, 3, pull! 1, 2, 3, pull! Pull! Pull!
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Pull! 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 1, 2, 3, pull! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, pull! 1, 2, 3, pull! 1, 2, Yay! Champion!
Visit dito.
Nice one!
2, 1, go!
Pull! 1, 2, 3, pull! 1, 2, 3, pull! 1, 2, 3, pull! 1, 2, 3, pull! 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 Woo! Nice!
Go!
Gabudlay pa rin high school. May daon.
Likod! Likod! Sa likod! Sa likod! Likod! Sa likod! Bantay lang tayo! Bantay! Bantay ban! Bantay ban! Nasya pala! Ay, mami!
10 seconds.
Ban! Bantay ban! Nice! Nice one! Nice one, mami! Go, mami!
Okay,
Ligo sa ulan. Daw kami di volleyball kag mga badminton naman na. 10. Ay! Ay! Nice! Nice! Stadium na.
Our students, our teachers, and the entire Kaya community. Thank you very much for celebrating the Holy Mass with us today.
Mga kaipamilya, up next is our fun games. But before that, let's have an energy check! Mag-iyaw! Blue! Tingnan ko dahil kasama dito Cosgato number 31 for the 3 wala 3 once again, first runner-up, our Kai Daddies.
Ikaw lang isa.
Please come up the stage for photo op and to receive your trophy. Courtesy, White Rising Clinic. Please come up now. Who do you think is the winner for the cheer dance? Wala man ko kabalo. Okay, let's start with our special awards. Laters overall for the cheer dance. We can take the opportunity to have your picture all team, okay? Cheer dance competition. Special awards. Next award, Best in Choreography! Best in Choreography goes to... Goes to... Best in Music... May naman ko sa ako. Best in Musicality goes to... Yellow Flame Fire! Now it's a battle between blue and red! Our champion for the cheer dance competition is... Shout your team! Champion is... Red Star Griffin! Very minimal point. Wow! Grabe, congratulations. We still have the overall champion for the entire 2-day Family Day celebration. Okay, next, blue for the first runner-up on the stage. First runner-up for the cheer dance competition. Again, blue, thunder, blue. Okay, dira kita ma-picture sa talo. Okay, all team. Overall result. Tanan you deserve. Mag-champion. Yellow and blue! Okay, now let's announce our overall champion, Sino! Again, Sino! The loudest cheer! Siya ang champion! Who's the champion? I-review to Dana, i-review. Okay. Okay. Overall champion, are you ready? Our overall champion! Gusto nyo ba ang difference of points? 10. Okay. Overall champion for the Kai Pamilya is Blue
Lord, for the food. Let's eat. A celebration for family. Yung overall party. Wala kami ni?